Good afternoon, Wildwood friends. It is a beautifully hot summer day on the beach. Yes, there are clouds, but don't let that fool you. The temperatures are scorching. It's very humid, and the water is simply beautiful. Mama Loretta here, bringing you a little bit of the view from the 15th Street Beach in North Wildwood. Yes, if you want to know, is it busy? It is packed. You know, we only have a few weekends left before the big Labor Day push. Not to say that Wildwood isn't busy in September, it is. But with all the kids going back to school and the college students going back to school, it's not as crowded during the week, but the weekends are still beautiful here in September. Some people say it's their favorite time to be in the Wildwoods. But today, everyone is enjoying this fantastic beach day. So I'll just be quiet and let you listen to our favorite sound, the sound of the waves. Look at how clear that water is. It's just gorgeous. Good afternoon, Robin. Glad you're joining us on our beach stroll. On a day like today, the only place to be is at the water. Cuts down on that humidity, and it's just so refreshing. Yeah, Sally, I know yesterday was a great beach day. Unfortunately, I didn't get here, but I was still here, just not at the beach. Hi, Eric from Clearwater, Florida. North Carolina. Hope you're having a beautiful day too. It is cloudy, and actually that's a good thing because it is so hot that the clouds give you a little bit of a break. Just look at the people ahead of me. Can you see how many people are on this beach? If you're in Wildwood today, the beach is the place to be. Actually, the water is not cold. This is the best it's been all summer. It's really perfect. Perfect water temperature today. I've been waiting for that all summer because I definitely don't like the cold water. If I lived in California, I'd probably never go in because their water is so cold. On the beach. You can see all the people that are here today. The tide is coming in. .90 degrees in Clearwater. Wow. Oh, That is unbelievable. 90-degree water. Wow. That's like taking a bath. Yes, it is beautiful. It's the kind of day where you just want to stay at the beach until the sun goes down. But I like it because I thought it was I don't know about you, but I'm going to miss this in about 2 weeks when we go back to school. I'd rather just stay here every day. Oh, I wish you were here too. Yes, friends, I wish you all were here enjoying this perfect beach day. If you haven't gotten down, I hope that you get the opportunity to in the next 2 weeks or even in September. September is a beautiful time down here. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little stroll along the shore. You have a wonderful day. Keep smiling.